And now I can... Should I keep the high beam on or should I get rid of it? Huh. Okay, we're recording. 1 second, don't get on yet. Let me go up the slope and then you can get on, okay? See you up the slope. Alright. What is up? Welcome to the very first Mo on Wheels. We are out here up in... Where are we? Naukuchiatal. Let's go. So, the GoPro today is also operating as a dash cam because it's my first time riding in the dark in the hills. It's okay. Wow. Let me just high beam it. Okay, that helps me a lot, right? Oh. Haha. Teacher? Okay. Oh god. No, there is. That would have been epic. And you're gone. Okay, let's not jinx it. All the gods are on our side. Hare Jesus, Vahe Krishna Dipate. Okay. Hello. Woof woof, bro. How you doing? How you doing? See ya, dude. Bye bye. Bike के हिसाब से 500 हो रहे हैं सुबह के. Oh. Cool. Thank you, bro. Yep. Did they also pause for us, or we're going? Okay. Nice. We could have avoided the car entirely if I took the parking one. Little, yes, we could. True. First clearing all of this. I think there is someone coming. Okay, so school. We can coexist. I think we're out of the dangerous areas. Twisties आएंगे. Gravel वाले twisties are gone. या gravel वाले ही twisties आएंगे अभी. Okay, कोई नहीं. Wet roads. This is slow. Okay. Gonna use my foot a little. Make it safer. Car is taking the twisty. We'll just wait by the side. Yeah. We're good. अभी निकलते हुए एक और ट्विस्टी आता है ना? Or is this the last one? Wheel Mania, we can get an ATV here also. For rent. Sayan? I have my foot down, so safe. PP, man. It's the first time I've ever caught someone peeing on video. First time for everything. Like, yeah, that's true. You're not gonna end up doing everything in life. The things you never do, you will never have a first time for. But for everything you do, you will have a first time. For everything. Friends, please subscribe. This is the last one? Okay. And now I can... Should I keep the high beam on or should I get rid of it? Huh. I'm okay. Please pick the bike up. My foot is under your foot peg. Pick up a little more.
I can't.
Ah.
Your leg?
Yeah, I'm fine. Crash guard. Oh my god. Okay, we're good. We're good. One sec.
Is your leg okay?
My leg is fine. This kind of thing happens.
Tell me like
Actually, leg is fine.
not me.
It was on my foot. The weight was on my foot. My foot is okay. Literally, while we were moving, we were fine.
Because you moved.
No.
You don't okay.
It's okay.
Okay. You good? Is the
I'm good.
bike also okay?
Think so.
Was that battery thing? Do you wanna like?
No, that's just because it's off. Crash guard went a little in, but apart from that, things are all good.
So you go
At the right.
on the road and then take a full turn. Like when
I
you.
think another part of the problem was that I slowed down way too much.
Okay.
Because if I had kept my momentum, the bike would have stayed balanced
Right.
on, wasn't stable.
Yeah.
Is why my foot slipped and
Yeah.
the bike fell on me.
But you.
But we're good.
Yeah.
We Gucci. You're fine now. You got off the bike on time. Okay. That's exactly what I meant by worst case scenario, you bail out. So. Okay, and no check engine light, no check ABS light. Everything is fine. Crash guards are a beautiful thing. Yeah, let them overtake. Oof. That was a little scary, dude. Dropping bikes is something that will always happen, dude. There's no one that won't drop their bike ever. Like, Dad's dropped his Tiger thrice. Picked it back up, got back on it, started riding again. That's what happens, dog. Karna padta hai. Kamal Tal, yes. Oh. They want a lift or something? I see both of their bikes. I see Dad. Hello. Guess what? Hopped it on a hairpin. I dropped the bike on a hairpin. No. I'm fine. Crash guard did its job. Say hi to the GoPro.
Hi.
Should I just turn around then? Oof. Adventure.
चलो ब्रदर
Really nice
Lovely meeting. ठीक है चलो
Chalo, take
Hit me
care.
up when you're in Delhi.
Bye
Hit
bye.
me up when you're in Delhi. We'll
Come
jam.
here
Yeah, yes.
we'll plan a ride to Munshari or
Perfect. Perfect.
somewhere. Yeah, come stay here with me and then we'll plan if you
That
feel
sounds
like
awesome. Yeah.
joining me.
Yeah,
ride
perfect.
joining.
I would love that. I would love that.
If anything just give me okay
Perfect.
Hey, guys!
Guys,
Guys!
where are they go?
Hello!
Let me just.
Hello!
Mom, Dad, you guys,
Hello!
you missed it.
Hello!
You
He's saying, yeah, we missed.
could still see guys on the uphill. You're like, hey! I was like, क्या हो गया? I was like, oh fuck, bro. Scraping foot peg. Scraped the foot peg, so I got concerned also. Yeah. Yeah, like if you go too slow on the hairpin, you fall. You go too fast, you fall. You go too slow, you fall. Hey. You're like an alarm sometimes, bro. This is where I slipped last time, and now we're good. नीचे ऊपर
ऊपर
नहीं ना going correct the slow oh see the rabbit जा भी सकते है रास्ता है but दिख नहीं रहा था with the headlight but है maybe like a trail or something to walk on a trail or something to walk on that's the earth moksha the earth is something to walk on okay यहाँ से नीचे जाना है ना oh ऊपर stall get off 1 second okay हाँ हो गया thank you Is your pedestrian mode now?
अभी अकेले तो नहीं
क्या?
you
No, I think actually अकेले I'm better.
maybe
Off-roading with a pillion right now is out of my league.
like but the fact that you said यहाँ से आगे
अच्छा वैसे नहीं with the navigation तो of course navigation is needed मेरे साथ अकेले मेरे से navigation नहीं होगा ये सब काम नहीं करता मैं So verdict is off-roading with a pillion is way out of my league right now
Very sharp bend and a very slopey bend.
and I stalled
So it was difficult.
I stalled though
Because you slowed down. It's recording?
Oh shit
Yes.
still is I forgot
That's okay.
That's great okay everyone say
Yeah.
say bye to the vlog
Yeah.
yeah
Bye, guys.
Later on.
okay see you later folks thank you for joining me